Have you ever wondered what separates high-performing athletes from the rest? It's not just countless hours of training or the latest gear. The secret lies within their own bodies in an often overlooked powerhouse, skeletal muscle. This episode dives deep into the world of muscle, exploring why it's the foundation for peak human performance and overall health. Regardless of your background or fitness level, understanding muscle can unlock your full potential. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a busy professional, or simply someone who wants to live a long and healthy life, this information is for you. Skeletal muscle is the most important organ in your body. It's responsible for movement, regulates blood sugar, and even helps produce energy. Studies have shown that even grip strength is linked to brain function. Imagine, the strength in your hands can offer clues about your brain health. Muscle quantity is also crucial for longevity. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. People with low muscle mass have a higher risk of health problems. So, building and maintaining muscle is key for living a long and healthy life. So, how exactly does muscle regulate performance throughout the body? Let's take a closer look at its structure and function. Muscle is made up of tiny fibers that group together to form motor units. These units are like tiny engines that power your movements. There are two main types of muscle fibers: slow twitch and fast twitch. Slow twitch fibers are great for endurance activities like running marathons, while fast twitch fibers are responsible for short bursts of power like sprinting. The size of the motor unit and the type of muscle fibers recruited will depend on the force required for movement. For example, picking up a pen only needs a few slow twitch muscle fibers. But lifting a heavy weight requires recruiting a lot more fast twitch fibers, along with larger motor units. Unfortunately, muscle function can decline with age and inactivity. That's why it's important to stay active and challenge your muscles throughout your life. How do we assess muscle quantity and quality? There are a few ways. High-resolution imaging techniques like MRI or ultrasound can provide a detailed picture of muscle mass and fiber type. However, these methods can be expensive and time-consuming. There are also more accessible alternatives. Movement screening tools can assess things like range of motion and stability. Performance metrics can track strength and power output. You could use a leg press machine to measure leg strength or do a single leg squat test to assess balance and coordination. Now, it's important to distinguish between muscle strength and muscle mass. They're not always the same. Take Usain Bolt, the fastest sprinter in the world. He has a lot of fast twitch muscle fibers, which are crucial for maximum speed. But he doesn't necessarily have the most muscle mass. Muscle mass can be unrelated to strength and activity level. Other factors affect performance, like mitochondrial health, testosterone levels, and range of motion. So, while muscle mass is important, it's just one piece of the puzzle. This episode explored the importance of muscle for both quality and quantity. We learned about the difference between fast twitch and slow twitch muscle fibers and how to assess muscle function. By understanding your muscle, you can create strategies to improve your overall performance and live a healthier life. Remember, this knowledge applies to everyone, regardless of your starting point. So, get out there, challenge your muscles, and unlock your full potential.